Guess where we're going today? We're going to the boat! It has rained all summer. We've been gypped from our sailing time. We're going sailing. Come with us! Faced with our potential mortality in our late 50s and the knowledge that life is short, we had limited good years remaining in this life journey of ours. It was clear a life change needed to happen or our time was going to run out. We'd worked hard our entire lives, raised a blended family, and raced on the hamster wheel like pros, all with the promise of more of the same until we left this earth. We took a giant leap of faith, grabbed each other by the hand, and said goodbye to our big house and lucrative income to retire to our little cottage in the woods, a shed, really. We're turning our 336 square foot, one bedroom cottage into the tiny house of our dreams and a life worth living. I'm Christine. This is my husband, Mitch. Welcome to my tiny retirement. This is our story. Okay, so I come out of the store here in, I'm not sure where we are, Bowdoin or somewhere. And check this out, what was parked beside us. Isn't this cool? Someday I'm going to record all of our grunts and groans.
Have a soundtrack?
Yeah, and do a whole soundtrack. Yeah, but of our grunts and groans. Oh, I gotta get out of your way. Sorry, hold on. Join us for coffee. Oh, the traffic. Yeah, I think they are baby cormorants.
And the females are colored. There you are. We're steaming out.
That lobster's making me nervous.
Steaming out. Flag of flying. She's got her Ernest Hemingway hat on. But she does right, so it only is fitting.
It's not an Ernest Hemingway.
It is esque.
It is evening, 7, I'm not sure what time, 7:30. I think it's around 7:30. We have had supper. We did indeed go sailing today out in the open ocean. What a different experience, let me tell you. We had some stressful moments, but we learned a lot. We bickered a lot to the point that I was like, all right, turn this boat around. I'm going back. I'm never doing this again. And not because of anything with the boat, but because Mitch, Mr. Coast Guard, was barking out orders at me, and I was like, you don't even know what I'm thinking. Why are you yelling at me? You don't even know what I'm doing. I was the one driving the boat. So, anyway, Gerard has gone off for his night-night potties with Daddy. They've gone to shore, and we have had supper. And let me just show you what we are settling down to. Hi. Yeah. Did you make that?
Yes.
That's beautiful.
As you can make it from a kit.
From a kit?
Yeah.
That's gorgeous. Good job.
Thank you. Chesapeake light pack.
Very nice. Somebody just went kayaking by with their dog. Let me show you. We are settling down once Mr. Gerard gets back with Daddy. We are going to be settling down with a glass of wine. Let me show you what our view is tonight. And that's what we are doing with tonight. It is Sunday night. We are here until Thursday midday. Midday? Maybe morning. We'll see. Tomorrow we have to run to shore because we just found out that we are having a storm on Tuesday. Well, we didn't just find out. We knew. We know. Here comes a boat. We are right on the channel where everybody, which is fun because we can see all the boats going by. You can tell I'm a little sunburned today. I had 50 SPF sunscreen on, and I still got a little bit pink. Everybody's going by. They're all taking their dogs to shore for the evening. It's pretty funny. So that's what we're doing tonight. Anyway, no, wait. So, we knew that we were going to have rain on Tuesday. We knew that. And maybe some winds. But we did. Ooh! Can you feel that? Can you tell that we're moving? We're in somebody's wake. Anyway, I got to go back to the story. We knew that there was going to be rain on Tuesday, but we didn't realize that it was going to be a pretty big storm. Starting Monday night, in the night, and then it's going to rain all day Tuesday. So we are going to just run to get a few provisions for, at least for Tuesday. At least for Tuesday, maybe for Wednesday. And then Thursday, we'll pack up and head home. Yay! Awesome. Oh, I can't? I have to! Guess what time it is, folks? Time to empty the happy pump out driver. And we don't know what we're doing, so this will be fun for all of us. Good morning, everybody. Check out my boat hair. Nobody said boating was glamorous. Well, it is now, where are we? We woke up in the night. We knew we were going to be getting some weather, but I wasn't really prepared for what came through. I didn't see any thunder and lightning, but holy moly, the wind. I don't know if you can see the camera. I don't know if my camera will do it, but we're going like this and this and this. We were getting probably good 20-mile-an-hour winds, and I don't know, what do you think it was gusting to? Like maybe 30?
It's gusting over 30 easily.
Yeah, over 30. And our girl held on to us. We just slept, had a good night's sleep, a little clanging and banging. We're in a good marina because I could see lights, and somebody, at first I thought, who is the fool that is out here in the cove, in the mooring field, riding around the marina? Stood watch all night long over everybody. That is a good marina. Everybody seems to have fared pretty well. I wonder, you know what? I'm going to try to go upstairs and get you a view. I'm going to stick my head out. Maybe I'll just stick the camera out. What do you think? And it's raining, and we have been spinning around on our mooring bow. See these guys? They're starting to spin around. We've been doing that all night. Yeah, you can see we're spinning too. We're doing the exact same thing that boat is doing right now. And it's been like that all night. Our dinghy is fine. Mitch did a good job tying everything down. So we have ridden through our first storm. It'll be over probably in a few more hours. But this went on all night from about 10 o'clock on. Oops. Ooh, you can't see anything there. Okay, you can see the trees. And it's blowing even harder across the water. Fishing early in the morning. This is the one that was out there earlier. I hope you guys enjoyed coming sailing with us. We didn't get a lot of footage of actual sailing because once the sails went up, there was a lot going on out in the open ocean out there, and I was not about to let go of the wheel of that boat. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But the real question of the day is, where am I right now? Where am I filming from? You'll have to stick around because that's next week's video. Because there's been a huge change. We'll see you next week.